Hello, and welcome to Podcast Style English, a calm space where we slow down, breathe, and think differently about learning English. Today, I want to talk about a belief that silently blocks millions of learners, a belief that feels logical, reasonable, even smart, but a belief that is completely wrong. The belief is this: I need confidence before I speak. Many learners think confidence is something you must have first, like permission, like a signal that says, now you're ready. So they wait. They wait to learn more vocabulary. They wait to fix their grammar. They wait to sound natural. They wait to feel confident. And while they wait, they don't speak. Silence feels safe. Silence feels comfortable. Silence feels controlled. But silence is not neutral. Silence trains fear. Confidence is not the starting point of speaking. It never was, and it never will be. Confidence is the result of speaking. Think about anything you can do well today. You were not confident at the beginning. You were unsure. You were awkward. You made mistakes. Confidence came later, after repetition, after experience. Speaking English works exactly the same way. When you don't speak, your brain lives in imagination. It imagines embarrassment. It imagines judgment. It imagines failure. Imagination is powerful, and it is usually wrong. When you speak, even imperfectly, your brain moves from imagination to reality, and reality is calmer than fear. You realize that people still understand you, that conversations continue, that mistakes do not destroy communication. Every sentence you speak gives your brain evidence, evidence that you can survive speaking, evidence that fear is manageable, evidence that progress is possible. This is how confidence is built. So if you are waiting to feel confident before you speak, pause and change the order. Speak first. Let confidence come later. Not magically, not instantly, but naturally. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Slow down, keep speaking, and trust the process.